you. I, R.K. Lohan, English teacher of our school, am expressing my views on the occasion of World No Tobacco Day. Today, the whole world is celebrating World No Tobacco Day. Theme of this year is Tobacco and Lungs Health. On May 17, 1989, the WHO passed a resolution calling for May 31 to be annually known as World No Tobacco Day. Tobacco is a product of the fresh leaves of Nicotiana plants. It is the foremost preventable cause of death and disease in the world today, killing half of the people who use it. The life expectancy of a smoker is 10 years less than a non-smoker. Cigarette smoke contains more than 7,000 chemicals, 70 of which are known to cause cancer. 90% people start smoking before 18. In other words, adolescence age is most prone age to smoking. Roughly 7.8 million people die from tobacco-related ailments every year. 28% victims are kids. As per Global Adult Tobacco Survey, India is home to over 27 crores tobacco users. It is the second largest producer and consumer of tobacco products in any form and threatens the lung health of everyone exposed to it. It kills one person every 4 seconds. Tobacco smoke has major implications for the lung health of smokers and non-smokers. As per the WHO Global Report, 7% of all deaths in India are attributed to tobacco. In addition to the death and disease it causes, tobacco also impacts the economical development of the country. More than 20% of the global TB incidences may be attributed to smoking. Smokers are likely to be more vulnerable to COVID-19 as the act of smoking means that fingers are in contact with lips, which increase the possibility of transmission of virus from hand to mouth. Further, smoking products such as hookahs often involve the sharing of mouthpieces, which could facilitate the transmission of COVID-19 in communal and social settings. Within 12 hours of quitting, the carbon monoxide level in the bloodstream drops 12 weeks. Circulation improves and lung function increases. The COVID-19 pandemic has led to millions to tobacco users saying they want to quit. Your health is in your hands. Make it work. Do something that will help you to be a good person. Thank you. Let's visit to the activities of the students of our school.
Good morning everyone. I Yukta from class 12th G is standing before you to deliver a poem on World No Tobacco Day. Smoking. I gave up smoking as I started choking. My cravings are kicking in, but I'm going to win. No more fags for me, I will live. Just wait and see. People around me are having a drag on their life threatening fag. I wish people would learn that smoking causes their arteries to burn. Think about those who love. Think how they will feel when you are sent above. Smoking causes death too quick, so use the time to quit. Thank you.
I am Divya. I am a student of class 12 from KM Public School. I am here to give a speech on World No Tobacco Day. World No Tobacco Day is a very famous event organized on 31st May by WHO. It is a major event that helps people to understand the worst effects of tobacco on the person and their family members. The event organizer mostly encourages smokers to stop having tobacco for the prevention of their lives. Also, the organizer encourages smokers to not smoke for 24 hours for at least one day. Tobacco smoke is incredibly harmful to our health. Tobacco smoking led to lung cancer. It increases the risk of heart disease, which can lead to stroke or heart attack. So, World No Tobacco Day campaign make countries free from nicotine and tobacco products. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. I am Hushi. I am a student of class 12th A from KM Public School. I am here to express my views on the topic No Tobacco Day. Since it has become a very hot and debatable topic, this yearly celebration informs the public on the dangers of using tobacco, the business practices of tobacco companies, what WHO is doing to fight the tobacco epidemic, and what people around the world can do to claim their future generation. The member states of the World Organization created World No Tobacco Day in 1987 to draw global attention to the tobacco epidemic and the preventable death and it cause. In 1987, the World Health Organization passed Resolution WHO 40.38 calling for 7th April 1988 to be a World No Smoking Day. For the celebration of World No Tobacco Day, the Resolution WHO 42.19 passed every year on 31st May. It aims to reduce the death from tobacco-related health problems. Do you know why organizers celebrate this World No Tobacco Day? How many people get killed every year due to use of tobacco? How did the World No Tobacco Day organizers help out smokers? Tobacco get used in cigarettes, chew tobacco, bidis, gutkhas and snuff. Today tobacco is trend as a passion in teenagers. They feel proud to smoke. This event is to drive the attention of smokers on the negative impact of tobacco on health. The organizers encourage people to stay away from damages caused by tobacco. The WHO spread the awareness of tobacco on 31st May. Prevent everyone death that happens within 6 seconds. The WHO shares the report on around 40% of men smoke tobacco in a year. The World No Tobacco Day implements the quitting of cigarettes and chew tobacco the primary because of the extensive use of tobacco product. That has a dangerous impact on the life of people. Many states have started the banning of nicotine mixed products. The organizers want to product countries free from the nicotine and tobacco products. The regular consumption of tobacco products can slowly push smokers toward the death. All the media helps in spreading the great advantage behind the World No Tobacco Day on 31st May, and this day helps in the prevention of global death caused by tobacco use. Every 9% of India consumes tobacco, so this day is very beneficial for us. Say tobacco, bye bye.
नशे के नाश से खुद को बचा लो अब तो, नशे के नाश से खुद को बचा लो अब तो। आज प्रणय लेना है तुमको, आज प्रणय लेना है तुमको कि नशे से हमेशा दूर रहोगे तुम, नशे से हमेशा दूर रहोगे तुम। शराब, पान मसाला, बीड़ी गुटखा आदि इन सबको आज ही छोड़ दोगे तुम, वरना कैंसर जैसी महाबीमारियों द्वारा इस दुनिया से जल्द ही लुप्त हो जाओगे तुम। नशे के नाश से खुद को बचा लो अब तो, नशे के नाश से खुद को बचा लो अब तो। एक बार जो लत लग गई इस नशे की, एक बार जो लत लग गई इस नशे की, तो फिर खुद को छुड़ा ना सकोगे तुम, तो फिर खुद को इससे छुड़ा ना सकोगे तुम। अंदर से फिर खोखले होकर बस रह जाओगे तुम, अंदर से फिर खोखले होकर बस रह जाओगे तुम। है नशा ऐसी बीमारी, है नशा ऐसी बीमारी जो हर दिन मारती रहेगी तुमको, जो हर दिन मारती रहेगी तुमको। धीरे धीरे फिर इस खुद के बिछाए ही नशे के जाल में फंसते चले जाओगे तुम, इसमें तुम खुद ही फंसते चले जाओगे। नशे के नाश से खुद को बचा लो अब तो, नशे के नाश से खुद को बचा लो अब तो। करना है नशा अगर, करना है नशा अगर, तो अपनों से प्यार का नशा करो, तो अपनों से प्यार का नशा करो। सिगरेट और बीड़ी आदि द्वारा तुम नशा नहीं बल्कि अपनी जिंदगी का केवल नाश ही करते हो। हो जाती है दुर्गति पूरे परिवार की। भला क्यों भगवान द्वारा दिए गए इस अमूल्य जीवन का नशे द्वारा नाश करते हो तुम? नशे के नाश से खुद को बचा लो अब तो। धन्यवाद।
सभी को मेरा सुप्रभात। मैं सूरज प्रकाश कक्षा 5वीं बी का विद्यार्थी हूँ। मैं आपके समक्ष धूम्रपान पर कविता प्रस्तुत कर रहा हूँ। क्यों कष्ट लगा रहे हो, धुआं उड़ा रहे हो, अपने आप अपनी क्यों मौत बुला रहे हो? क्यों यार मेरे खुद का गला दबा रहे हो? अनमोल है जीवन, बर्बाद न कीजिए, उसके बदले सुबह शाम दूध पीजिए। औरों को बुरी लत का नशेड़ी बना रहे हो। 40 की उम्र में खांसी सताएगी, दम उखड़ जाएगा, जिंदगी रुलाएगी। फोकट में यार अपनी सेहत गला रहे हो। धन्यवाद।
मेरा सादर नमस्कार। मैं दीक्षा कक्षा 12वीं F की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है विश्व तंबाकू निषेध दिवस। क्यों इस तंबाकू को मैंने गले लगाया, अपनी ही कश्ती को पानी में डुबाया। जीवन जीने की चाह एक ओर तलबगार थी, दूसरी ओर मृत्यु मेरे सिर पर सवार थी। अगर तुम्हें भी गम है तो पास जाओ, पहली और आखिरी बार गले लगाओ। अनमोल जिंदगी है, बर्बाद न कीजिए, उसके बदले सुबह शाम दूध पीजिए। धन्यवाद।